happened to HIMS today? HIMS, HERS, and Health saw an incredible decline on the session, closing at the lows of the session despite an epically strong reversal in the equity markets today. HIMS, HER, and Health closed down on the session 34.63% and is actually gapping down here slightly more in the after hours. And we ask ourselves, why? What was the news? Well, a strategic partnership between HIMS and Novo Nordisk, ticker NOVO, has saw this stock absolutely fall to the downside. Both stocks were hit hard today in the trading session. NVO closing down about minus 5.49%, but HIMS getting absolutely slaughtered to the downside because Novo Nordisk has now halted its collaborations with him and hers on the sale of its weight loss drug, Wegovy. The two companies had launched a collaboration in April to bundle Wegovy through him and hers telehealth, and no longer that collaboration will exist. Therefore, HIMS has seen a drastic change in what looks to be going to be a poor revenue guidance. So this partnership that has now failed is actually bringing on a whole bunch of potential lawsuits. So the fact is, HIMS is likely going to go lower. Realistically, where do we have our first support? This major violation in HIMS is something that has to be observed. We were looking at breaking out of this range here on HIMS, and now this bullish potential breakout has failed to the downside. So I like to really be cautious with these type of news events because this is a very negative tape. You can see we haven't even hit the 618 level yet. We knifed through the 50% retrace like a hot knife through butter. So up next is your 618, but I think we're still going to press lower through that. We got basically no bounce on the daily session, even though the equity markets were strong. If you're looking for a day trade long, I have a technical level around 3750 that is likely a better potential aggressive swing trade level. It really matters how it gets into there. There's likely going to be a continued day trade opportunity tomorrow. If we gap down right into the 618, you could get an intraday bounce. But HIMS is looking like it is going to see more downside. And this is a stock that you want to be very, very careful, especially with an announcement of this nature. Please give this video a like down below, and we'll see you on the charts a little later.